students, I am Sharda Sahu from Tilak Bharati School, Raipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic Mensuration-II for class 8 students. Mensuration-II. In this chapter we will going to discuss about the cuboid, volume and surface area of cuboid, cube, volume and surface area of cube. Cuboid. Cuboid is a three-dimensional shaped structure. The face of the cuboid can be any quadrilateral. Basically, it is a rectangle. That means a cuboid is a three-dimensional shape in which there is a length, there is a breadth, and there is a height. Now, each and the face of the of a cuboid is in the shape of a rectangle. Now we will discuss about the parts of a cuboid, that is the faces of cuboid, the vertices of cuboid, and the number of edges of cuboid. First of all, we will discuss about the number of edges. The number of edges in a cuboid are 12. That means AB, BC, CF, FG, GH, HA, AD, DC, FE, HE, GD, EB. All these are the edges or the sides of a cuboid. Now, number of faces in a cuboid. The number of faces in a cuboid are 6. That is front, back, left side, right side, top face, and the bottom face. In this diagram, the front faces A, B, C, D, and just behind of the front faces the G, H, E, F. Just like the side faces H, A, D, G, and the side faces B, C, F, E. Similarly, the top faces G, D, C, F, and the bottom faces A, B, E, and H. And now we will talk about the number of vertices or number of corners, that are 8. So these are A, B, C, D, F, G, H, and E. So we can conclude that a cuboid has 12 edges, 6 faces, and 8 corners or vertices. Now the next topic is volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid means the space occupied by the object. That is, this is a cuboid and the space that is occupied by this cuboid is called the volume of the cuboid. So in this cuboid we have length, breadth, and since it is a three-dimensional structure, we have height also. So the volume of cuboid is given by L into B into H. That means L is for length, B is for breadth, and H is for height. So the volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Now the unit of volume is given by cubic units. That means it may be, for example, meter cubic or centimeter cubic. 3 more formulas are there to find out the different dimensions, that is length, breadth or height. If we have given volume and breadth and height, and if we have to find out the length, so we will use the formula volume of cuboid upon breadth into height. Similarly, if we have to find out the breadth of the cuboid, then we will use the formula volume upon length into height. And the third one is the height. If we have to find out the height, we will use the formula volume of cuboid upon breadth into length. Breadth into length. Let us take an example. Example 1. The volume of a wooden cuboid is 36 cm cube. If its length is 4 cm and breadth is 3 cm, then find its height. So, what is given? Volume of wooden cuboid, that is 36 cm cube. Length is given as 4 cm and breadth is given as 3 cm. Now, we have to find out the height. So, for finding out the height, we will use the formula volume height is equal to volume upon length into breadth. And we will now put the values of volume, length and breadth. On solving this, we will get height as 3 cm. So, the height is 3 cm. Next example. In this example, we have given the length of a cuboid is 1 meter. Breadth is 50 cm and the height is 20 cm. And we have to find its volume. So what we have given is length of cuboid, that is 1 meter. And 1 meter is, since all the other two dimensions, that is the breadth and the height is given in centimeters, we have to change the length of cuboid into centimeter. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So length of cuboid become 100 centimeter. Now the breadth is given as 50 centimeters and the height is 20 centimeters. So the volume of cuboid is given by length into breadth into height. Now substituting the values of length, breadth and height in the formula, we will get answer as 1 lakh cubic centimeters, that is 10 to the power 5 cubic centimeters.